What's up, guys? Troy and Chris here. We're heading to Blydenburg State Park, located Long Island, Suffolk County. We're gonna try to do some trout fishing down in the pool area there. Blydenburg does not stock the trout, but they come upstream and they do hang out in the pool where the waterfall is. I've never tried this before. This is a fishing challenge for us. We're gonna be using Mike's garlic. Who knows? They're salmon eggs. Hey, it says trout love it right on it. Look, trout love it.
Sure as hell beats sitting on the couch.
Yeah, sure, what he said. But we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna see what happens, and hopefully we could catch some nice rainbows. This pool holds some really nice rainbow trout I've caught in many of my days. You know, with my uncle years ago. We don't really trout fish here that often. Usually we come here for some largemouth, but you know what? We're bored. We're a little bit free today from work, so we're gonna just do some trout fishing. So stay tuned and hopefully we'll catch some nice trout. Alright guys, we've reached our spot. Get down there and get these lines out. I got CB behind me, thinking he's gonna catch some bass today. They're a little lethargic. I don't think they're gonna be hitting. Hey guys, so no trout today. I haven't fished this spot in a long time, so again, this was a challenge. I never used this ever. Mike's garlic trout bait. They're salmon eggs. I never use those here on the island. For me, they've never been effective, but again, we were working today. We figured, hey, let's try something different. Let's see what happens. We had a couple extra bucks on us to go buy some stuff, and you know, just nothing's going on today. So but hey, that's why they call it fishing, not catching. But like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. We're gonna have a lot more videos coming your way. Some Connecticut River fly fishing, some salmon river fishing, ocean fishing, largemouth bass fishing. I mean, you name it, we're gonna be doing it. We're gonna be traveling all across the United States, trying to fish different spots, try different techniques. You know, please, again, like, subscribe, and leave some comments below. Thanks, guys.